Question paper? Yes, students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So, question number 136. Uricotelism is found in mammals, aquatic insects, tadpoles, and birds. What is meant by uricotelism, students?
The animals which releases uric acid.
Uric acid is called uricotelism.
Ureotelism or uricotelism given? Ureotelism. What is meant by ureotelism?
The animals which receive the urea is called
Urea, right. Mammals excretes?
Urea.
Mammals excretes urea. Right. Mammals excretes urea. Aquatic insects excretes
Ammonia.
Uric acid.
ammonia, right? A tadpole,
Ammonia.
ammonia, and birds?
Uric acid.
Acid.
Uric acid, right. So what is correct option, students?
Option 1.
Mammals.
option 1.
Question number 1. Right. Next one. Question number 137. Which of the following are uricotelic animals? Uricotelic means what, students? Excretion of
Uric acid.
uricotelic, excretion of uric acid. Rohu and frog.
Option 1.
Lizard and crow. Camel and frog. And eggworm and eagle.
Lizard and crow.
Option 2.
Okay. Frog releases urea or uric acid, students? Frog.
Urea.
Frog excretes urea, right? Lizard and crow. Both are what? Lizard is reptile, right? Crow is what type? Yes, students?
Bird.
Birds, right? Reptiles and birds, both are also excreting material is water. Uric acid, uricotelic animals. Next one. Man is. Man belongs which
Sir,
class?
in key they are given
Option
wrong,
C.
sir.
What given, Amma?
Option C.
C given, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Camel and frog.
Okay, we change it. No problem. Next question number 138. Man is
Ureotelic.
ureotelic or uricotelic? Humans are. Yes, students?
Ureotelic.
Ureotelic.
Ureotelic. Excretion of what, students?
Urea.
Urea.
Of urea, right. Next, green glands are excretory in function which are found in green glands.
Scorpions.
Prawns.
Spiders, moth, scorpion, and prawns, aquatic arthropods. So, what are the excretory organs in aquatic arthropods? Those are prawns. Next one. Question number 140. Excretory structure of earthworms.
Nephridia.
What are the excretory structure, students?
Nephridia.
Nephridia.
Nephridia are the excretory organs, right? Nephridias. Different types of nephridia we discussed in pharyngeal nephridia, septal nephridia, right? Types of nephrons, types of nephridias in earthworm, right? Next one. Question number 141. Those animals which excretes a large amount of NH3R.
Aquatic.
Compare with the terrestrial, which organisms excretes more ammonia?
Aquatic.
Aquatic.
Aquatic. What is the reason, students?
Ammonia is more toxic, so it wants more water.
For excretion of ammonia, more water required, right? And ammonia directly comes outside from the body to water, directly dissolved in the water. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
The aquatic is answer correct option number 4. Next question number 142. Columns of Bettini is the kidney of mammal are found as the extension of. Where the columns of Bettini is presented, renal columns?
Between pyramids.
Between pyramids. That is the extension of cortex or medulla?
Cortex.
Cortex extension.
Cortex into
Medulla.
cortex into medulla, right? So what is correct option? Option number
2.
Option 2, right. One. Each human kidney has nearly how many nephrons are presented, students?
1
million number.
Billion number of nephrons are 144. ADH influences water permeability in the what purpose? ADH. What is ADH, student?
Antidiuretic hormone.
Antidiuretic hormone.
Right. ADH influences water permeability. We discussed already ADH. Whenever at the time of water availability is very less and salt availability also less. At that time, more ADH are releases or less ADH is releases? Yes, students?
More ADH.
More
More
ADH.
ADH releases, right? And it is indirectly helps for what? Increasing of what? Which rate?
Blood pressure.
GFR rate.
Increasing the rate of blood pressure, obviously. GFR also, amount of filter rate also increases. Right, regulation of blood pressure. Next one, students. The yellow color of urine of the vertebrates in due to which
Urochrome.
Urochrome.
the presence of urochrome, right? Next one, question number 146. The glomerular filtration rate in a normal adult is nearly how much?
25 milliliter per minute.
125 ml per minute. GFR rate. What is the GFR rate for day per day?
180 liters.
180 liters per day. Sodium, water, and phosphate reabsorption is maximum in
80.
different types of the electrolytes, and water reabsorption is maximum in the region of which part of the nephron, students?
PCT.
Yeah, PCT, right. How much percentage?
70 to 80%.
70 to 80%.
So question number 148. Ornithine cycle is found in
Liver.
what is meant by ornithine cycle?
Ammonia
Production of
into
urea from ammonia.
Urine.
Metabolic waste is ammonia is converted into urea in the
Urea.
region of the liver. That is called ornithine cycle, right? Option 2. Next one. Ascending loop of Hilli is permeable to K plus, Cl minus, and Na plus.
Salts.
All of the above.
All of the above salts.
Right. From the ALOH, all the types of electrolytes comes outside. Means reabsorption takes place. All of the above correct. Proboscis gland in Bellona glasses is associated with the part of which are process of
Excretion.
proboscis glands. So in hemichordata, Bellona glasses, hemichordata, proboscis glands are the excretory organs. Right. Next one. The renal vein carries blood. Renal vein
From the kidney.
Away from the kidney.
away from
away from the kidneys. So which blood vessel carries blood into the kidneys? Renal?
Renal artery.
Current arterial.
Artery.
Renal artery, right. Next one. Efferent arteriole, that is inside the Bowman's capsule. That is efferent. Next question number 152. Animals which cannot maintain their osmotic environment at a constant level are called
Asthma.
name only. Osmo?
Osmoregulators.
So here, the animals which cannot maintain given, which can maintain osmoregulators, which cannot maintain osmoconformers, which can maintain, those are called osmoregulators. For example, humans. Humans are what? Osmoregulators or osmoconformers, students?
Osmoregulators.
regulators.
We are able to maintain our normal constant temperature and constant osmoregulation also. But what about in the reptiles, snakes? Is it possible for maintenance of constant temperature? Cold-blooded organism. And as well as osmoregulation also not able to maintain constantly. Such type of the organisms are called osmoconformers. Option 2 correct.
In key option 1 is given. Sir. In key option 1.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I will change it. Next one. The mechanism of urine formation in nephrons involves 3 different steps. What are the students?
Ultrafiltration, tubular
Ultrafiltration,
secretion,
secretion, reabsorption.
Tubular.
Ultrafiltration, reabsorption, and secretion also. Right. All the above correct. Next one. Diabetes insipidus is due to diabetes insipidus. Is due to
Option.
what, students?
Option 1.
Hyposecretion of vasopressin.
Vasopressin.
Hyposecretion or hyper?
Hypersecretion of vasopressin.
Hypo means
Hypo.
what, students? Hypo.
Less secretion of vasopressin.
Hypo means less secretion of which hormone?
ADH or vasopressin.
Or vasopressin.
Option D and A both are same.
What given, ma?
Sir, option A and D are both same.
Yeah, hyposecretion of vasopressin. Hypersecretion of vasopressin.
Option A, no, sir.
Both are given, okay, right. 1 or 4. And first spelling mistake is there, right?
Sir, in option D, spelling is wrong, sir. Vasopressin.
Yes. Spelling is wrong.
A is the correct.
Sir, option A is correct, no, sir.
A correct, right. What is that? Both given,
Sir, in B, they are given.
Okay. I will change it. Right. Question number 155. The least toxic nitrogen waste of urine is least
acid.
Acid.
moderate,
Urea.
least
Ammonia.
ammonia. Right. Loop of Henle and collecting ducts are located in the kidney. Is located in the
Medulla.
region of kidney.
Sir,
Yellow
explain this, sir.
is
Not
located,
understood.
students, cortex or medulla?
Medulla, sir.
Both are also presented in the region of medulla. Next one. In cortical nephrons, LOH. In cortical nephrons, LOH.
LOH
Long or short?
Short, sir.
LOH also short and Vasarecta also short. Right, students? That is correct. LOH is short. Peritubular is in the peritubular capillaries. Formed from which blood vessel, students? Which blood vessel?
Efferent arteriole.
Presented in cortex or medulla?
Cortex.
Present in the region of
Medulla
cortex.
is extended.
Extended the form of vasa recta into medulla. Cortex region, it is called as peritubular capillaries. Involving mainly in RAS mechanism, which is involved. Angiotensin, aldosterone, renin, and all of this. What is correct option, students?
All of
All
these.
of the above.
What is meant by RAS? Meaning of RAS?
Renin, angiotensin, aldosterone.
Renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system. Right. Next one. Function of ANF is. What is meant by ANF, students? ANF means
Adrenatrial uretic factor.
Adrenatrial uretic factor. Right. Okay. Next one. So, what is the purpose? What is the function of ANF? Decreasing the GFR or increasing the GFR?
Decreasing the GFR.
Decreasing the GFR by which process, students? What's the process name?
Vasodilatation.
Very good. Vasodilation. Because of expansion of the blood vessel, relaxation of the blood vessel, blood pressure is decreases. Then obviously, what is decreases?
GFR
Blood pressure is decreases. Obviously, GFR also decreases. Right. Renin is secreted from where renin secreted?
JG cell.
From the region of JG cells, extraglomerular cells. Angiotensinogen is converted into angiotensin by factor.
Renin.
Inactive angiotensinogen is converted into active angiotensin by which factor, students? Renin only, right? Forgot. Right, correct. And again, angiotensin 1 to 2 converted by?
Angiotensin converting enzyme.
Yes. Angiotensin converting enzyme. Yes, right. Okay, next one. From where ADH secretes?
Hypothalamus.
Actually secreted from hypothalamus. Hypothalamus to where?
Pituitary.
Pituitary. Which part?
Kidney.
Neurohypophysis.
From pituitary. In pituitary, which part? That is neurohypophysis.
Posterior pituitary.
Here pituitary.
Posterior pituitary. That is nothing but neurohypophysis.
Posterior pituitary.
In the brackets, write down posterior pituitary. Regarding about pituitary gland structure, we'll discuss in last chapter, chapter number 22, right? Hormone chapter. Next one, students, it is also activate the adrenal cortex to release aldosterone. Which one?
Angiotensin.
Angiotensin 2.
Angiotensin. The function of renin is, what is the function of renin, students? Increasing the blood pressure or decreasing the blood pressure?
Increasing the blood pressure.
Degradation of angiotensinogen, stimulation of corpus luteum, and to reduce blood pressure and vasodilation. Option correct?
Option A, sir.
Yes,
Option
sir.
A, degradation of angiotensinogen. Why? Because inactive angiotensinogen converted into active angiotensin, right? By the presence of
Given C.
what given?
The given
Option 3A.
Third given. Reduce blood pressure, wrong. Why? Because increases the blood pressure, not reduction of blood pressure. Next, the presence of blood in urine is known as
Hematuria.
hematuria. Heme means what, students? The meaning of heme is related to blood. Hematuria. When sebaceous gland discharge, so some of the other parts also which act as excretory organs were discussed in the liver or lungs, skin, right? From that, sebaceous glands discharges. Sebaceous gland.
cereals, hydrocarbons.
Next, fatty acids, water, sterols, and hydrocarbons, right? What is the secretion from the sebaceous gland, students?
Sebum.
Sebum.
Right. Kidneys are color of kidneys.
Reddish brown.
Brown.
Okay, match the following ultrafiltration. The ultrafiltration takes place in the region of where
Malphizian.
Renal corpusculus and
are also called
Malphizian body.
Renal
Malphizian
corpus.
body or renal corpuscle, right?
Renal
Next, concentration of urine.
Henley's loop.
Concentration of urine, that is depending upon loop of Henle, right? Next, transport of urine
ureters.
carried out by ureters. Next, storage of urine.
Urinary bladder.
Storage of urine, which is takes place by urinary bladder, right? Next one. Given figure ABC representatively. Okay, what is A, students?
Afferent arteriole.
Afferent arteriole.
Arteriole.
B.
Afferent
Afferent
arteriole.
Afferent arteriole.
Okay, right. So A is efferent. Which one is entering inside the Bowman's scapula? That is efferent, and which exit from the Bowman's capsule? That is efferent arteriole, right? Next one. Main function of uriniferous tubules are, what is the main function? Uriniferous tubules means what, students?
Renal problem.
Uriniferous tubules are nothing but nephrons, right? So what is the major functions? Different types of functions given. Concentration of urine given, passes of urine given, reabsorption of useful substances from glomerular filtrate given, removal of urea and other wastage from blood.
Sir, option 4.
The major function is removal
Option
of urea.
4.
Nitrogen materials are going to be removed, eliminates. That is the major function, right?
Yes, sir, from the blood.
Sir, why can't we reabsorption of essential materials, sir, from glomerular filtrate? Why
Which one?
can't we? Option 3, sir.
Yes, sir.
Reabsorption, main function. The main function first removal of nitrogen materials. Next, second, in second place, this is water. Reabsorption of useful substances. The first elimination is required. So that only last option. Next, which hormone induced the process of reabsorption from glomerulus? Which hormone, students? The reabsorption is increases in the region of glomerulus.
Vasopressin.
Vasopressin, ADH. ADH.
ADH. Excretory product of birds and reptiles are both are releases what students?
Uric acid.
Uric acid.
Uric acids, uricotelic organisms. Next one. Which blood vessel takes blood away from the kidneys? Blood away from kidneys.
Renal vein.
That is renal vein away from the kidneys. Renal portal vein, and efferent arteriole and efferent arteriole. Right, away from the kidneys given. Renal vein correct.
In key, the rock.
They are given efferent arteriole.
What given?
Efferent arteriole.
Efferent arteriole. Away from the Bowman capsule means efferent arteriole. Away from the kidney given, that is renal vein. Next, in ornithine cycle, which of the following waste are removed from the blood?
CO2 and ammonia.
CO2 and ammonia.
Participated students in ornithine cycle, both ammonia and
Sir, option 2.
ammonia and urea.
So CO2 and ammonia.
Sir, option 3 then, sir.
Sir, option 3 no sir.
CO2 excretes by water, not by the ornithine cycle, right?
Sir, in material, it is given CO2 and ammonia.
Where given?
Material, sir, neat material.
In neat material.
Yes, sir.
CO2 which is involved for conversion of ammonia into urea. Here what given in ornithine cycle, which is following waste to be removed from the blood. So both also. Why? Because ammonia and urea. CO2 through exhalation only it comes outside. And in the presence of CO2 only that is takes place, ornithine cycle. Okay. Okay, I will later I will explain ornithine cycle how it is takes place. Right. Next one, uricotelic mode of excreting the nitrogenous wastages is found in uricotelic.
Reptiles and birds.
Both reptiles and birds also. A fall in glomerular filtration rate. Whenever GFR is decreases, what is activated, students?
Renin.
GFR decreases, which system is activated?
RAS.
RAS, right. So RAS activates means what? JG cells releases what?
Renin.
Renin.
JG cells releases renin, right. Option 1 correct. Next one, which one is an accessory excretory organ? Liver, stomach, intestine and heart.
Liver.
In this intestine also, but the major excretory organ, one of the accessory excretory organ is liver. Next, excretory organ of cockroach or what are the excretory organs of cockroach?
Malpighian tubules.
Malpighian tubules, right. So anybody got out of out? One person got. Who is Gagana? Is there? Yes? Not there, right. One question wrong? Nobody. 2 questions? 3 questions wrong? Rabara, 3 questions wrong. Shruti, 3 questions. Tanisha, Murli L. Swami, 3 questions. Okay. Okay, students, right? So write in error book whatever questions you didn't mistake. And in next class, we will start the next chapter, right? Locomotion and movement, chapter number 20. Only 3 wrong. Okay. Chapa had how many wrong? Not there. When I became. Four wrongs. Okay. 5 wrongs, Shafal. Okay, whatever you done mistake, that finish in error books, right? And the next class we'll start chapter number 20, locomotion and movements. Okay, students?
Yes,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.